Today we're going to show you how to do a dryer vent cleaning, and we're going to be using reverse sweep hose, which is right here. Let me find the end of it here. So it's a soft tubing with the air holes are coming out the back. You can kind of see here. That's why it's called a reverse sweep hose. So the idea is under pressure, it's going to pull down through the dryer vent. You'll push it and the air will push it down through and blow the dryer lint back towards the opening. So we'll get set up here in just a second, but wanted to show you an alternative way. So we're going to be hooked to a small air compressor that should do the job. This is really instructional for a service technician who might be just doing a dryer vent cleaning. Normally, a duct cleaning person with full gear would do this, but I wanted to be able to show you how you could do it on a service call, or just if you get sent to a duct cleaning or a dryer vent cleaning all by itself. You could alternatively hook it to a nitrogen tank. Probably you just need some custom fittings to reduce down to the the quick connect air hose fitting from your regulator down to this. So you just need some special fittings probably to pick up at Home Depot or something. As you can see, this dryer has a bird screen on it, and that's probably the bulk of the problem right there. So we'll be taking that off to get access to the duct behind it. Okay, so as you can see, this is very, very clogged. So we're just going to clean that out by hand. All right, now what I usually like to do is turn the dryer on and go to just air fluff so we don't have the heat blowing, and then set it 20 minutes, which is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that. So we have air blowing from the dryer out to the outside. So now we're up here at the vent, and I highly suggest wearing some sort of mask or something. This will get a little dirty. So start by just running this brush up in there. Didn't get a lot with that. So we're going to switch to our reverse sweep hose.